Faceless channels are pulling in millions of views and making thousands of dollars every single day, just by using a few simple tools to enhance their video and audio quality. These improvements help them stand out from the competition, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do the same. By the end, you'll know how to choose the right niche, level up your editing skills, and make your audio sound professional. So let's dive in. Step 1. Picking the right niche using Google Trends. Choosing the right niche is one of the most crucial steps in YouTube automation. You want a topic with steady or growing interest. So here's how to find the perfect niche for your channel. First, head over to Google Trends and type in a broad niche idea like personal finance or tech reviews. Check the trend over the past 7 days or a month. If it's stable or rising, that's a great sign. Next, compare different topics to see which one has more engagement. For example, in 2025, cryptocurrencies might be trending higher than AI tools. Then explore the related queries section to uncover sub-niches with high demand but less competition. Finally, pick a niche with an audience that's actively searching for content, and you'll be on the right track to building a successful channel. Step 2. Upgrading video editing. Now let's talk about video editing. If you're using CapCut, that's a solid start. But if you want to take your videos to a professional level, it's time to upgrade to Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. Premiere Pro is perfect for timeline editing, color grading, and smooth transitions, while After Effects lets you create high-quality motion graphics, animations, and special effects that make your content stand out. The best part? You don't have to start from scratch. YouTube is packed with free tutorials and templates to help you learn fast. Trust me, making this switch will instantly take your videos to the next level and keep your audience hooked. Step 3. Making thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, and if it's not grabbing attention, they're scrolling right past. Canva is a great starting point because it's simple and user-friendly. But if you want next-level thumbnails that truly stand out, Photoshop is the game changer. With Photoshop, you unlock advanced layering, realistic shadows, and high-resolution effects. You can cut out images with precision, add pro-level text effects, and fine-tune every detail to make your thumbnails pop. A great way to start? Use Photoshop templates and practice enhancing colors, contrast, and lighting. These small tweaks make a massive difference. At the end of the day, switching to Photoshop isn't just about making better thumbnails. It's about getting more clicks, more views, and growing your channel faster. So if you're serious about YouTube success, it's time to level up. Step 4. Enhancing audio quality. If you're using 11 Labs for AI-generated voiceovers, like this one, you might notice the audio can sometimes sound robotic or flat. But with a few simple tweaks in Audacity, you can make it sound more natural and professional. Start by importing your audio into Audacity. First, apply noise reduction to eliminate any unwanted background noise if there is any. Next, use the compressor to balance volume levels and ensure a smoother, more consistent sound. Then, adjust the equalization to enhance the richness and depth of the voice, making it sound more lifelike. Finally, adding a subtle reverb or a slight bass boost can give your voiceover a fuller, more polished feel. With these quick adjustments, your AI-generated voiceovers will sound more dynamic, engaging, and realistic, just like a professional recording. So there you have it, the key steps to launching a successful YouTube automation channel, from choosing the right niche to leveling up your editing and audio. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more YouTube growth tips. It really helps the channel and ensures that you don't miss out on future content. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.